Raising restaurant profit or sales through menu engineering. Menu engineering, also known as menu psychology, is the strategic construction of menus practiced by restaurants to help guide their customers into ordering certain menu items that are more profitable to the establishment. Menu engineering steps involves logical evaluation of menu costs and sales facts to recognize opportunities for better performance. In other words, through menu engineering, the menu that you see at the restaurant can increase sales, productivity, and profit by nudging the customer to purchase what the owner wants him or her to buy. The three main steps involved in engineering a menu are determined by your cost of each item, categorizing items based on popularity and profit margin, and the actual menu design or layout. Determining the cost of each item to be displayed on the menu is a time-consuming process, but it is the most important step that a restaurant owner needs to do, as it governs the prices that they set. The food costs must be correct and up to date. Remember, success of any business relies heavily on the profitability of their products. You can't determine price and profit if you don't know your costs. Maintaining a strong restaurant accounting and business system is imperative. With profit and popularity in mind, you begin sorting your menu display. Most commonly used categories these days are appetizers, entrees, desserts, and drinks. Although commonly used, this rule is not set in stone. You can add subcategories such as entree categories, vegetarian, vegan, seafood, meat, drink categories, alcoholic drinks, or non-alcoholic drinks. The choices are up to you. Your menu, your categories. Now you will group your menu items based on star ratings. 4 stars, very profitable and very popular. 3 stars, low profit but very popular. 2 stars, high profit, low to not popular. And 1 star, not profitable and not popular. This will be a part of the process where you determine if the item is worth to be displayed on your menu. If you have too many 1 or 2 star items, it might be time to change the menu or save them for specials to see if you can improve the item. Of course, the last but not least would be the eye-catching design of your menu. How do you promote some of these high star ratings? Perhaps you could begin promoting them as a chef recommends or special of the week. Understanding your customers is your priority when designing your menu. Family type restaurants do very well with large pictures of food items, while upscale restaurants are better off with elegant script and well-written descriptions. To keep the customer interest in your promotional items, do not overcrowd your menu with these promotions. Rather, have 1 or 2 selected items in each category. You can add a reasonable size photograph, place a color border like a box around it, or use a star rating or different font colors to highlight your promotional items. All of these play a huge part in making sure your menu is attractive. Prices should be at the end of the food description and preferably without the $sign. Use descriptive words to describe each item in the menu and to stimulate senses. Give them an experience of taste, aromas, and textures before the customer even orders the item. How about your menu cover? What is the first item the server hands to you when you're in a restaurant? A properly engineered menu will provide a great first impression before the menu's even opened. Determining if you need 1, 2, 3 pages in your menu is up to you, but choose carefully. For small or casual diner or finger food restaurants with limited food choices, 1 panel might be sufficient. 2 panels are commonly used and might be the best choice because they are easy to read. Of course, use 3-panel menus if there's a lot of interesting items to offer. Remember, you will have less control over your food if you have too many panels. While menu engineering is responsible for helping your guests and your profits, educating your staff on which items to offer or based on your star rating should also be a priority. They are your frontline salespeople who are face to face with the customers, and they can guide your customers to the most profitable or signature dishes.